Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to add a surname in all documents. First, you'll need to secure a legal name change order from the court. This document is the foundation for all subsequent updates. Next, gather all your current identification, like your birth certificate and existing ID. Familiarize yourself with the specific legal requirements in your area to ensure a smooth process. Once your legal name change is official, prioritize updating your government identification. Start with your Social Security card, as this is crucial for many other updates. Then, proceed to change your driver's license or state ID at your local Department of Motor Vehicles. Finally, remember to renew your passport to reflect your new surname for travel purposes. Next, focus on your financial and professional life. Contact your banks and other financial institutions to update your accounts and credit cards. Inform your employer and human resources department to update your payroll and employment records. If applicable, ensure all your professional licenses and certifications also reflect your new surname to maintain validity. Don't forget to update other important records. Contact utility companies, landlords, or mortgage lenders to change your name on bills and leases. Inform your medical providers and health insurance companies about your new surname. Lastly, update your voter registration and any important mailing lists to ensure you receive all correspondence correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.